Imagine spending 25 to 30 lakhs on a dental degree and then realizing that this was not the career you expected. This happens more often than people think because every year after NEET results, students and parents sit down and focus on only one thing, that is getting their seat. But no one actually calculates the whole cost of becoming a dentist. And no, I'm not here to tell you about the college fees. I'm here to include the hostel fees, the dental instruments charges, hidden university charges, and charges if you want to do any specialization, or the main thing, how much will it cost to open your own clinic. So before you choose BDS or before you pay a single penny to anyone, watch this video till the end, because by the end you will know how much it costs for you becoming a dentist, and is that investment worth for your family's future or no. Because we know not everyone is financially capable of spending so much on a degree, and I honestly feel it's a waste of spending lakhs together on just a 4 or 5 years course. And please remember in mind, this is for all the students. Only because a course is hyped all together, it doesn't mean that it is the right one for you. You need to think for yourself and choose a career which makes sense to you. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Aastha Zora, and I'll give you 3 seconds to go and subscribe to my channel below. So for today's video, this is a series. ये एक series अपने आप बन गया है because I had made a video before on the topic, is BDS worth in 2026. I will attach the link in my description or comment section so you can watch it. This is the second part of the series where I'll be telling you how much it will cost for you to become a dentist. So let's go. Let's start with the biggest myth, which is the student thinks that if I receive or if I secure a government BDS seat, then the financial struggle is over. That's partially true because the logic is simple. You might save your lakhs by going into a government BDS than a private BDS college, but that does not eliminate the total cost of you becoming a dentist. So here's where family make their mistakes, because they only question about the college fees, and the real question should be how much money will leave our bank account over the next 5 years and how much will be the investment. चलो मान लेते हैं आपको एक गवर्नमेंट BDS कॉलेज मिल गया and it is costing you around 60,000 per year. Then for a 5-year course it will be nearly around 3 lakhs only for the college fee. अगर आपको private BDS कॉलेज मिला है, then the scenario will change because it is 5 to 6 lakhs per year for that course, and if we really add it out, then it will be 20 to 25 lakhs for a 5-year course. Coming to accommodation, so if you are not from the state where your college is, then you have to travel all the way and stay in hostel or PG. Now I will keep everything in mind as a private college and tell you the fees, and आप उसको थोड़ा कम कर देना if you get a government college. तो प्राइवेट कॉलेज में इफ़ यू वांट अ हॉस्टल, इट विल नियरली कॉस्ट यू अराउंड 1 lakh per year. दिस इज़ तो पक्का, इंक्लूडिंग ऑल द हॉस्टल एंड मेस चार्जेस, एवरीथिंग. बट इफ़ यू वांट टू लिव इन अ PG, then almost 80,000. Don't think that this will end here, because once you step out of your home, there's so many things that will cost you every day, whether it be the auto charges or the stationery or even the food or snacks that you need while you hang out with your friends. So everything will cost you money, so you need to keep all this in mind. Now coming to the dental instruments, how much will it cost? यार instruments ही तो है, ले लेंगे, बहुत costly है because it starts from the day one where you need to buy wax blocks and carvers. But उधर से लेके your 4th year तक, all the instruments that you buy for all the department will cost you nearly around 50,000. It's not like कि आप एक ही साथ ले लो 50,000 दे के, but I'm telling you approximate charges, and I have included the patient charges also in this, because once you get into a private college, no one tells you you need to pay for your own patients if you're bringing them, because yeah, it's true, government college से compare किया तो private college में the patient flow is really low, so they ask you to bring your own patients. So when this happens, of course if you're calling someone, you can't ask them to pay. If you convince them, then it's well and good, but sometimes you need to pay for the cost of your patient. So yeah, I've included everything in this. So don't worry, I'm here to guide you. I'll tell you some tricks that you can save your money. So First thing is that don't buy all the instruments. जो भी list दिया है, just go speak to a senior and ask them is it really worth buying, or you can just share with them or share with your friend. So देखो, if you are buying one instrument which is not fully necessary, because ऐसे होता है कि you get posted in batches. सो जब एक फ्रेंड का बैच चल रहा है एक डिपार्टमेंट में, आप दूसरे डिपार्टमेंट में रहोगे, तो यू कैन बाय वन इंस्ट्रूमेंट विच यू कैन शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड, एंड तभी आपका कॉस्ट डिवाइड हो जाएगा बाई 2 एंड इट विल बी लेस. ऐसे थोड़े छोटे छोटे ट्रिक्स करके यू कैन सेव योर मनी, बिकॉज यू विल नीड सो मच मनी इन दिस कोर्स. एंड सेकेंड ट्रिक दैट आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू, दिस इज़ नॉट लाइक ट्रिक बट दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस. पीपल टेल कि अपना पेशेंट ही लाना है तो हम क्यों आते हैं कॉलेज, वॉट इज़ दिस ऑल नॉनसेंस. नो, एक डिसएडवांटेज है कि दैट यू हैव द टेंशन ऑफ सर्चिंग पेशेंट्स, बट वन मोर थिंग इज दिस इज़ ऑल प्रिपेयरिंग यू for you to be more confident until you graduate, because once you graduate in BDS you can open your own clinic. Tabhi communication skills is very important. So only if you sit in your own place and wait for the patient to come, and once you enter the real world where you need to attract patients, this is the reality, right? You need to talk to patients and convince them for the treatment that you are doing. तो ये सब करने के लिए you will be experienced when you get your own patients. The communication skills, the convincing skills and even the management of patient, ये सब आप सीखोगे. So this is a good thing. Coming to the books and study material. So many students have asked me this question, is iPad really needed when we join a medical degree? No guys, it's not. iPad say, okay, you will get a quality studying, but do you really study when you have a gadget in your hand? No, right? And that too iPad. So be sensible and choose what's good for you. Agar aap really you like all the doodling and stuff and you want all your materials to be in one gadget, you can't carry all the books, then yes, iPad is an option for you. But if you think ki nahi, this will distract me, then don't go for it. I'm telling you, don't go for it. Now talking about the books, it's costly, yes. It might cost you around 40,000 if you buy each and every book of the whole course, and that too first hand books. But if you want to cut this cost, then you can take second hand books. There are so many stores which gives you second hand books, and you can ask a senior who might give you it in a less cost because it's already used. This is a very good thing because उन्होंने already important lines or important things mark किया होगा. Then it is an advantage for you. So I would like to share something with you guys about me. So I didn't have anyone to guide me like this when I was in my first year, and BDS was a new thing in my whole family, and I am the first generation who's doing the BDS course. So now I didn't have any idea, and जब मैं first year में आई थी तो I had to buy textbooks. as अभी तक जो स्कूल में था कि टेक्स्ट बुक तो कंपलसरी है, तो मैं गई, एंड इतना तो दिमाग था कि मैं सेकेंड हैंड स्टोर गई, फर्स्ट हैंड नहीं. बट सेकेंड हैंड स्टोर जाके भी मुझे 4-5 बुक्स का 7,000 रुपीज़ हो गया था टोटल कॉस्ट, एंड आई वॉज इन शॉक, लिटरली शॉक. बट येस, आई हैड नो वन टू गाइड, सो आई डिड दिस मिस्टेक. बट आई विल टेल कि बाय बुक्स इन फर्स्ट ईयर. डोंट go to some gadget or don't rely on gadget from first year itself. Buy books, but second year say be a little smart. So what I did was I didn't buy all the books in second year. I just borrowed a few important textbooks which the teacher wanted in every class. तो मैंने बस वो लिया, एंड दूसरा जो इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं था, लाइक माइक्रोबायोलॉजी इम्पॉर्टेंट है, बट यू नो कैरिंग द टेक्स्ट बुक एवरी डे टू द क्लास वॉज नॉट नीडेड इन आवर college for that teacher. So I didn't buy the textbook, downloaded the textbook, and I used to study on that. So this is one thing that you can do. Now talking about the miscellaneous charges that shocked me also once I entered the college. So there will be numerous fest or some event happening, तो आपको उसके लिए भी पे करना पड़ेगा. Some freshers, farewell, graduation, everything, they might ask you 1 or 1.5k for that. So that is a miscellaneous charge. Now again, some colleges take 40 to 50,000 as miscellaneous charges, which includes sports, library, everything. But to be honest, nothing actually is included in that, because library fee भी separately ले ही लेते हैं उन लोग बाद में. But that is when you have to take the book home. If you want it to be free, then just sit in the library, study, and just come off. That's it. So these were some miscellaneous charges that I was unaware, and now I know. Let's talk about the internship year, where students have some hope of earning money rather than giving it to the college. So yeah, if you are in a private college, then ये सपना भी छोड़ दो मेरे दोस्त, because it is very low. The stipend is very low, and it's not guaranteed that you will get it every month, though the rules are such that. But yes, it will be around 1000 to 1500 per month. But यही अगर government college में है तो it will be 20,000 to 30,000. So that's a bit drawback in private colleges. Other than that, यही है कि आप जितने दिन जाओगे इंटर्नशिप में उतने दिन आपको फुल अमाउंट मिलेगा, नहीं तो दैट विल ऑल्सो बी डिडक्टेड. सी आई एम गिविंग यू ऑल द इनसाइडर डिटेल्स. बाय वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो टिल नाउ आपको भी रियलाइज़ हो गया रहेगा कि यार दिस इज़ ऑल न्यू, तो सब्सक्राइब कर लो यार फॉर मोर सच वीडियोज़. कमिंग बैक टू द थिंग दैट BDS इज द स्टार्टिंग, इट्स द बिगिनिंग, but where will it end? If you want to do MDS, then it will cost you more 20 lakhs if it's a private seat, and if it's a government seat, then maybe 8-10 lakhs में आपका हो जाएगा. Now coming to the main and last part of this video, how much will it cost to open your own dental clinic? So if you are a second generation dentist, तो आपको बनाए clinic मिल जाएगी by your father or your mother. But now if you are a first generation dentist like me, let me tell you, everything is very costly. A single dental chair can cost you around 2 lakhs अभी के रेंज में. So the total cost might end up into a 20 to 25 lakhs, but you need to know about the location and the setup as well, so that how much money you put in will come back to you. That's it. But my advice would be, आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद तुरंत डेंटल क्लिनिक ओपन मत करो. आप ज़रा एक्सपीरियंस लो क्लिनिक्स में वर्क करके, and then save up your money and then open your clinic. So that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful, and you need to comment down the total cost, add up everything that I mentioned in this video and comment down the total cost, and let me know and let others know how much it's costing. Thank you for watching. Love you all. Bye.